Hello guys! Today we will see how to mint a land in EXGOLAND. First we have to connect our wallet. We can choose between Phantom and Glow wallets. Let's go with Phantom. Then we will click on Buy Land to select a land from the map. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's say we will select this land. Click on it, then click Mint. Add your end name, in this case I will write The Future, then we can add royalty. The royalty ranges between 0 and 15%. Then you can choose to add a picture on your land or not. For this example I will not add a picture. Then we can add our description. Let's say the future of the internet. Then we will agree to the terms of service and click Mint. Now several pop-ups will appear. The first one is the price of the mint, which is 299 USDC, as you can see here. The rest are pop-ups to make sure your NFT is safe. We use something called IPFS, which means Interplanetary File System. It's a storage protocol to make sure your NFT is safe. The last pop-up is the amount of gas fees you need to pay for Solana. Since Solana has a low gas fee, the amount will be around 0.03 Solana, which is equivalent to $0.50 the day of this video recorded. Congratulations, you just minted your land. You can click on the link shown to see it in the EXGOLAND marketplace. You can also check the map and click on your land and you will see that it is minted. To sell your land, check the Selling Land video in the description. Thank you for watching.